Give me a P, give me an I, give me an N, give me a K, give me an I, give me a C, give me a E, give me a 1, give me a 3. Pink Eye 13. And today's video is going to be an unboxing and demo video on the imarku Dutch oven, which you can get on Amazon.com. I love how big it is. It's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, it's not 4, it's 5 quarts. I'm able to cook a family-sized meal. It's an enameled cast iron. Towards the half end of this video, you'll see my mommy cook, and you'll see how non-stick the pot is. The food literally glides, and how after washing it, the pot remains stainless. This is a multifunctional pot. You can use it to braise, stew, boil, broil, fry, bake bread, sear, and even roast a turkey. Bow, bow, bow. Because it's oven, induction, gas, electric, ceramic, and padlet ring safe. Up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This pot does weigh 13 pounds, so I suggest you store this in a bottom shelf since the lid is heavy. My mom suggests that instead of flipping the lid, to avoid making a mess on the counter, you place a piece of pan to rest the lid. I love how inside the lid, there's a self-circulating bump design which locks in moisture, which makes this the perfect pot for baking quality bread and desserts. The lid is even designed in a way to avoid air pressure, to avoid chipping. imarku has patented this pot's square diamond appearance, which on top of looking more stylish than the traditional round shape, it has a wider base. Check out their full description on Amazon and contact them directly with questions. And to wrap things up, with the bow on top, I wanted to point out that this pot's lid uses a 304 food grade stainless steel and is 100% free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, and the pot resists rust and corrosion. So now that you made it to the end of this video, I truly appreciate it with all my heart if you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray. Once it's gray, that means that you're subscribed, and hit the post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button, so that way you're notified every single time I upload a new video, sort of like a ding 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 ding. Pink Eye 13 just posted. And please give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below if you bought this pot or you plan on buying it. In the description box down below, I'll be including 2 links that'll take you to this pot. The first link is that we are able to go directly to this pot, but I truly appreciate it so very much if you shop this pot through my storefront. So after you've seen how exactly this pot looks on Amazon, that way you could go on the second link and find it through my shopping list on my storefront. I send you a big virtual hug. See you later, alligator. You'll see me very soon if God permits. Bye. Have a God blessed day.